How to create a sustainable living store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store in Shopify.com. Hey guys, welcome. So here we're going to explain the platform first. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform where you can create a store, a Shopify store easily just by going to the online store, choosing a theme, making some adjustments. Then you will have your store ready to start selling and getting clients. So first thing, go to the search, enter Shopify, then click on the first link you will have to proceed to creating your account. So here, let's give it a few seconds, and here, after it's loaded, click on start free trial. Then you will be able to create your account. And as you can see, get your first 3 months for $1 per month. So it's very cheap for the first 3 months. So just don't waste those 3 months, guys. So here, after creating your account, you will have this as your dashboard. As you can see, this is where you can control everything about your store, from the home to orders, products, the customers, the content, the analytics, marketing, discounts. And here you can control your online store where you can optimize it. So here, let's go to the online store and to the themes. This is where you can change everything about your online store. First, let's check it to see how it's looking. So this is how our online store is looking for now. So let's go back to start changing it. So here, by scrolling down, you will be able to see those themes. Click on visit theme store to see all of the themes. So here we have 173 themes, and most of them are paid themes. 161 of them are paid themes. You cannot use them without paying. And we have 12 other themes which are free. So you're going to filter by free. We're going to choose the free ones. So here we're going to search between those themes in order to find something that would come along with our sustainable living store. So here we have this one for the skincare. Its name is Sense. Refresh for the skincare too. Ride for surf products. Down for handbags. Origin for backpacks. Spotlight for hats and sweaters, I guess. We have taste, craft, studio. Let's check craft first. I think this one is pretty close to sustainable living store. And here click on view demo store in order to check this theme. So here we have sustainably crafted goods to elevate your everyday. Sustainably crafted goods. So this is exactly the thing we're looking for. So here, just click on try theme in order to install it on your Shopify store. So here, let's wait for it to be installed. Let's just wait, and here it is after it's added. As you can see, this is the theme we're using currently, but let's change it to this one. Click on publish to change it to the one we've just chosen. Click on publish here, and this is the theme we've just chosen. So let's click on view store to check how our store is looking after choosing this new theme. So this is how our store is looking right now, as you can see. So let's go back to start making adjustments to it. So here, click on customize. Click on customize to start adjusting the theme. So this is where you can adjust everything about your theme. So I'm going to start by explaining all of those buttons to you. So the first thing I'm going to explain is the buttons in the corners. Starting with this one, we have the app embeds. It's where you can add the apps that you've installed, or you can view the apps that you have installed in your platform. Then you have the theme settings, where you can change the logo. You can upload a logo, or you can change it to another one. You can also change the logo width. You can select image for the favicon. And for those who are questioning what is a favicon, a fav icon is this one. It's the one you will have in this particular place. This is a fav icon. And then you proceed to the colors. If you want to change the colors of your store, you can change them in here. You can add a scheme. You can change the background colors, the text colors, the solid buttons colors, the outline button, the shadow as well. And you can change all of those colors. Then you proceed to the typography. You can change the typography to whatever you like. You can change it from Americana to another typography. Let's go with Ameri, for example. We can choose this one. This is how this typography is looking. You can change to Anonymous Pro, or you can go with Arimo. That's the one. Then click on select, and here you will be able to change the font size scale. You can leave it at 100% on. You can higher it up a little bit, or you can even higher it more. Then we have the body, the font, if you want to change it too. Then we have the layout. If you want to change that as well, you can play with those pixels. Then if you want to change the buttons shape, if you want to make them more rounded or more sharp, and those kind of stuff, and you can play with all of these adjustments. After that, you proceed to the sections. So here you will be able to change everything about your store from the announcement bar, which is this one. You can change the parole in your announcement bar. Then you can change your header, you can change your template, you can change the collage, you can change the footer as well. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.